Hi friends, today I will tell you about historical figure Singapore 5-cent coin. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something really exciting to talk about, a 1974 Singapore 5-cent coin. You might be wondering, what's so special about this tiny coin? Well, stick around because we're about to uncover its incredible value, and you won't believe it. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more amazing content like this. Let's get started. Brief history of the Singapore 5-cent coin. First, a little background. The 1974 Singapore 5-cent coin is a true gem in the world of numismatics. It was minted in 1974 and features the iconic national symbol, the merlion, on one side, and the numeral 5 on the other side. But what makes this coin so valuable? Let's talk numbers. Believe it or not, due to its rarity and historical significance, the 1974 Singapore 5-cent coin has become a collector's dream. In pristine condition, this coin can fetch a substantial amount of money. Some collectors are willing to pay a small fortune to add this coin to their collection. But how much are we talking about exactly? Let's break it down. Computer screen displaying recent auction results. In recent years, we've seen this tiny coin reach jaw-dropping prices at auctions. Mint condition 1974 Singapore 5-cent coins have been known to sell for millions of dollars. Yes, you heard it right, millions. The demand for this coin is incredibly high, especially among passionate collectors and investors looking for unique pieces of history. Now, you might be wondering, how can you identify if your 1974 Singapore 5-cent coin is worth millions? Well, there are a few key factors to consider. First, check its condition. Coins in mint or near mint condition are highly sought after. Second, look for any minting errors or variations, as these can significantly increase the coin's value. Finally, consult experts or appraisers to get a professional opinion on your coin's worth. Vintage coin collection. In conclusion, the 1974 Singapore 5-cent coin is not just a piece of pocket change, it's a valuable artifact that can potentially make you a millionaire. If you happen to come across one of these coins, make sure to handle it with care and consider getting it appraised. You never know, you might be holding a small fortune in the palm of your hand. That's it for today's video, everyone. If you enjoyed learning about the incredible value of the 1974 Singapore 5-cent coin, give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of rare coins and collectibles. Until next time, happy collecting.